Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, in this particular video, I will be discussing today's Cognizant Genc next interview experience. This interview experience is for the Java cluster and lot of questions related to Java as well as DBMS has been asked in this particular interview. Make sure that you are watching this video till the end because the same questions might get repeated in your interviews as well. Not only for Genc next profile but for Genc or Genc Pro profile also, these questions might repeat. So each and every question is important, and also in the later part of this video I will be telling you about the important interview IT subject notes from which you can prepare for your interviews and the important questions you can cover from these subjects. Okay, in detail I will be discussing about these notes in the later part of this video. So guys, now let's start this video. Before starting the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for this channel, and make sure to join this Telegram group. It is dedicated for 2025 batch students, and lot of discussions regarding different companies are going in this particular group. So guys, now let's start with the video. Okay, so guys, the first question is, what is object-oriented programming? So it is nothing but object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm based on the concepts of objects which encapsulates both data and behavior. It is designed to improve code reusability, modularity, and maintainability. So basically, this is a pattern which we use to make our code more modular. Okay, and we know what are the pillars of OOPS. We can explain here: class, object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. All these things we can explain in this particular question. Okay, I hope now this question is clear to you. Now let's move towards the next question. Okay, now how is OOPS implemented in Java? So again, the question is bit of different, but answer will remain same. That using the different pillars of OOPS, that are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, we can implement OOPS. Okay, there can be a question from you, which I have discussed in previous videos as well, that explain polymorphism and explain with the help of code by writing the code. See, in Genc next, there are high possibilities that a coding question can be asked from you, or for any concepts, a coding part can be given to you. So you must prepare very well anything that you are preparing. Okay, I hope this question is also clear to you. Moving towards the next question is difference between finally, final, and finalized keyword. Now, see, on our channel only, if you're following regularly following our videos from past two videos, this question has been repeating: finally, final, and finalized keyword difference. What is the difference? Final final keyword can be used with the method, with the variable, within class. Okay, finally is a exception handling block which is used. Finalize is used in the garbage collection. Okay, in detail you need to study about it, so you should read it on your own. Okay, to get a better understanding of it. And the coding part also, like, explain with the help of a code snippet also. This question can also be asked from you. Okay, so yeah, so I hope this question is clear to you. Now guys, see, many of the times on Telegram also you are asking, sir, we understand the question that you tell, but what if the new question comes? How we will know that from where we should prepare? So guys, for solving this problem only, what we have important interview IT subject notes on our channel TopMate. Okay, on our TopMate channel. Okay, in these particular notes, we are covering total 10 subjects which are very important as per your IT interview is concerned. We are covering Java, Python, DBMS, SQL, coding questions, operating system, networking also, machine learning, cloud computing, HR questions as well. So these subjects, once you will get these notes, you will find that for each subject there is a dedicated PDF. And for every subject, we have around 20 to 25 important questions and their answers. I am not saying that entire interviews will be from these PDFs, but there are a lot of questions which might get repeated in your interviews if you study from these notes. Okay, for every subject there are at least 20 to 25 important questions with their answer. If I will show you the sample, so if I will open the Java PDF, let's suppose, so there is a proper question given, there is a proper answer given, that how you have to tell in the interview. And for some questions a code snippet is also given, so that your understanding becomes more. Okay, and similarly for DBMS PDFs as well, there is a proper question, there is a proper answer, how you have to answer in the interview. So these particular notes can be beneficial for your last minute preparation for the interviews for any profile, that is Genc Pro or Genc Next, or whether it is for different companies. Okay, so I hope everything is clear to you. If you are interested in these notes, the links are in the description box, and it is at a very nominal price of rupees 99. So you can check out, the links are in the description box. Now let's continue with the video. Moving towards the next question: what is Java Spring? Now again, See, it's Gen Z next interview. Java Spring is certain is a little bit of advanced topic. Java Spring is basically a framework for building the web applications. You can make APIs using Java Spring framework, or you can make the web applications using the Java Spring. Okay, so if you know about it, a basic understanding of Java Spring will be a very beneficial for you while giving Gen Z next interviews. Or for Gen Z, you can ignore Java Spring. Okay, they will not go in detail for Gen Z profile, but for Gen Z next, this question can be this topic can be beneficial for you. Okay, so now moving towards the next question is, what is DBMS? So in simple terms, DBMS is an entity, or you can say is a application which stores the data. We make a lot of post requests, get requests. So from where that data is getting picked up, it is getting picked up from the database. Okay, so different types of DBMS also are there. We have main different type of DBMS are SQL or no SQL DBMS. Okay, so I hope this question is also clear to you. Next question is, what is a stream API in Java? Now it is a Java 8 question. There can be a question explain the features of Java 8. Okay, or there can be a component of Java 8 that is a stream API. That is a very important function. So what is a stream API? Stream API in Java provides a functional programming approach to process collections efficiently. It helps to perform filtering, mapping, and deduction operations. Okay. Key features of Stream API are functional programming, parallel processing, lazy evaluation, and pipeline. Okay, so I hope this question is also clear to you. Next question is, what is the difference between procedure and function? Okay, so yeah, it's a database thing. So procedure is a set of SQL statement that performs an operation but may not return a value. But a function is a block of code that returns a single value. Okay, this is a major difference. Return type procedure can return multiple values using out parameter, but function must return a single value using the return statement. Okay, I hope this difference is clear to you. Yeah, next question is, how to get max salary in SQL? Again, a very basic question from SQL thing that can be asked from you. So select max salary as max salary from employees. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Next question is method overloading code. Okay, so I have told you in earlier part also in this video that every oops concepts can come up with the code snippet. You will have to explain each and every oops concept with the help of code snippet. So overload code to write method overloading code. So what is method overloading? First of all, you should know there can be a method with same name but different type of parameter or different number of parameters. So these are three functions with same name but different type of different number of parameters in them. Okay, so this is an example of method overloading. Yeah, next question is program related to sorting collection in Java. So we have heard about the streams API, why they are used. So they can also be used to sort the collections. Okay, so yeah, this is the function to sort sort the collections using the collections framework. So yeah, I hope this question is also clear to you. Next question is diamond problem in oops. Why is it called a diamond problem? So this is a diamond problem. See, if there is A and B or C and are inherited some of the functions from A, and then there is D, and D is inheriting the function from B and C. So this is a diamond problem, classic diamond problem. Class A has a method, class B and C inherits from A and override the method. Class D inherits from both B and C. If D calls the method, which version of B or C should it execute? This is a diamond problem. So therefore, in Java, multiple inheritance using classes is not possible, but multiple inheritance using interface is possible. So this is the major reason for why in Java multiple inheritance is not there, because of the diamond problem. I hope this question is also clear to you. If you are finding this video informative till here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for this channel, and do join the Telegram group. The links are in the description box. Next question is, project related questions were asked. Again, for Gen Z Next or for any interview, projects are really important. The technology stack that you're using in the project, challenges you face in the project, uniqueness of your project, all these things are important. You must know them. Okay, so very important question regarding project. The last question of this interview was, what would you do if you do not know a language but need to learn it for a project? Let's suppose you are learning Java. Oh, you know Java, but now you want to switch to Python. What would you do? What will be your approach? Will you say no to the manager? Answer is no. You will have to learn. What will be your approach? By doing courses. On Udemy, you can do, on Coursera or anything where you can do documentation you can read, projects, small projects you can make. Yeah, that thing you need to do. So I hope all these questions are clear to you, and these were asked in today's Gen Z Next interview. More such interview experiences I will keep on posting on this channel. Just that, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for this channel. And again, I'm telling you, if you are looking for preparation for the last minute preparation notes, then these notes can be beneficial for you. Okay, all the subjects are covered here with their important interview questions as well as their answers for every subject. The link of these notes are in the description box. Do check them out. Thank you for watching this video.